What's up YouTube, it's your girl Kush coming back at you with another tutorial.
And this is KDTV. Vivo.
If you haven't been here before, please subscribe down below at the bottom. And also subscribe down to my Instagram, which is in that corner right here. So go subscribe right now. So please subscribe down below. Also, don't forget to press the notification bell and put it on all. So you need to stay tuned. So in this video, we're gonna do a makeup tutorial. Jaclyn Hill, which is one of her new makeup palette right here. And it's the volume 2, Jaclyn Hill, volume 2. She put like, the past few years has been absolutely insane. So many highs, so many lows, amazing memories, and tons of drama through all of it. My subscribers always had my back. Thank you for loving and supporting me no matter what. This palette is so embracing the past, owning the present, and dominating the future. Together, I hope these shades make you feel strong and powerful and loved in the way you make me feel every day. Oh, that was cute. Okay. All right, Jaclyn, I feel you on that one. I like that back there. That was cute. All right, so we're gonna do unboxing, I guess. So yeah, it comes with your little phone, like the Jawbreaker palette I got. Cause I went shopping on my birthday. If you've never seen that vlog, I'm gonna put it right there at the bottom. Click on it right now. But like, he didn't have a padding in it, so in case it would break or anything. But you can keep it. I also keep mine like that, so like it would never get broken here. Cause I get so sad when I break eyeshadow palettes or makeup. So this is devastating. I'm telling you. Okay, so I'm gonna just put this over here. Okay, you guys. So now we're gonna be opening up the Jaclyn Hill palette, volume 2. See? Okay, and this is what it looks like on the inside. Now, she don't have a mirror, which most Morphe palettes do not have mirrors. So, the only one so far that I have noticed that have mirrors is JEFFREESTAR in the Jawbreaker palette. It's pretty cool. To all my loving subscribers who have always supported me all these years, this one's for you. And these are the colors that she put together in her volume 2 collection. We're gonna do a fiery eyeshadow, you guys. So get ready, keep watching. Alright, we're gonna start with first I'm gonna conceal my eyes with Base by Louise. It's a good concealer. So I'm just gonna conceal my eyes. And that was brush JS11.
Letters on the side. I'm not trying to have this talk again. I don't want to dream forever. And when I wake up, you better see my baby. And I'll be good now, please. If he's the one that gets my wish, then tell him he's my lucky baby. If he's the one that gets my wish, then I'll be his lucky lady.
JS10, and this is the smaller version of the one we just, but yeah, fuck, this is what I got. Like the little, this shape is press and curve, don't swoosh. So now I'm gonna move on to the orange.
Everything that I need now. Promise I'll be good, I promise I'll be grateful. Yeah, we'll go the extra mile and even turn the tables. Yeah, yeah.
Ooh. And now we're going to go to the red. The one that's called Loving My Best palette. Ooh, it's a good red. Ooh, Jaclyn. Thank you, whooping ass right now.
belongs with me forever. Then put him in a box and send away. Miami in big letters on the side. I know I'm not supposed to talk pretend. Please don't make me dream forever. And when I wake up, I better see my baby Santa. I'll be good now, please. If he's the one that gets my wish, then tell him he's my luck.
Y'all like it?
Toronto, Miami. Yeah.
213.
Strong enough for the pain, yeah.
I am not the one choosing, but if he belongs with me forever, then put him in a box and send away. Miami in big letters on the side. I'm not trying to have this talk again. I don't wanna dream forever.
Now we're gonna take a little black,
You better see my baby, Santa, I'll be good now, please.
like a sealer under our eyes. We're gonna go back to JS5, the JS5 brush by JEFFREESTAR, MORPHE X JEFFREESTAR.
If he's the one that gets my wish, then tell him he's my lucky baby. If he's the one that gets my wish.
So this is Nars in the shade Moorea, Nars. Normally what I normally use. I tried the Fenty. I wasn't a big fan, but I'm gonna try it one more time. They got the new moisturizing Fenty foundation, so I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna give her another chance. She is, you know, this is Riri. We're both Pisces. I gotta give her another chance.
We can build a house made of candy or a house made of snow. Yeah. You know what I'm talking about, you know what I mean, no, no. We can build a house made of candy or we can build a house made of snow. Yeah. You know what I'm talking about, you know what I mean, no, no. Yeah.
Oh, the lashes. You fresh lashes. I just like the recycling. You got the memo though, the
Put him
eyeshadow.
in a box and send away. Miami in big letters on the side. It's my wish. And tell him he's my lucky baby. If he's the one that gets my wish, then I'll be his lucky lady. If he's the one that
The complexion 10, and it's just a, you know, setting brush. Keep it in this box.
You're the one I wanna love. Santa, won't you bring me everything that I need now? Promise I'll be good, I promise I'll be grateful. Yeah, I will go the extra mile.
Now we're going to put our bronzer. I'm gonna be using LA Colors Shimmer Bronzer.
I'm gonna be taking a blush brush from Sephora.
House made of candy or we can build a house made of snow. You know what I'm talking about, you know what I mean, no, no. I am not the one choosing, but if he belongs with me
I'm
forever,
gonna be a little more browner.
put him in a box and send away. Miami in big letters on the side. I know I'm not supposed to talk pretend. Please don't make me dream forever. And when I wake up, I better see my
And now I'm gonna be using the Jaclyn Hill highlighter palette. But it came in 4 sets. Boom, 4 different colors. Who would pass that up? So I'm gonna take my red.
On ya, now they ask where I'm at. Making hits that line back. I'm MJ, I'm 2-3, man. I just need some time back. I'm zoned in like defense. My life gone, no recess. But I live my best one, so I got no regrets. So don't. Can't answer my phone now, just leave it there, that tone. Ballin', can't beat me up, cause I'm back in my zone now. Cause I'm back in my zone now. Back in my zone now.
ballin', can't beat me up cause I'm back in my zone now.